Hey, what's up everyone? Agent X here. Today I'm going to be doing a video about this drone that I bought with my money. It's a glow in the dark drone. I will be unboxing it. In here. Ooh. Here it is. Is it battery powered or what? Nope. We won't have to charge it. Hooray! So there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these set. Oh, that is cool. Put these up over here. Got the batteries. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Not in there. This in here. This there. That there. So these right here are very important. These drone blades, drone propeller blades. So we're just gonna keep those in there. They're extra propellers. So yeah. And then River, come here. Yeah. We're gonna fly the drone now. So turn this on. That died really fast.
It died?
Yep.
That one never.
So yeah, we just did that fun video for the drone. And that's about it. Agent X out. Bye.